Hello, everyone around the world. This is your smiling, conscious traveler. And today it's raining. We had a thunderstorm last night. So you can see that this tree behind me broke into pieces. And yeah, nobody wanted to come with me on this walk. Because, my wife was saying, you can't go out with the kids today. It's too cold and rainy. It's not a good day to go out. And I said, okay, let's go out alone and enjoy nature. Such a great place to get energy. And yeah, this is the place where I decided to sit down a little bit and to enjoy and be present, just be present. So I have some pictures from my walk, just enjoy them.